Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nicole and you're watching Nick Ink Artistry. So today we are cutting and coloring my hair. I am kind of nervous. We're not turning back. Kind of thought about it, but we're just gonna go for it because I have tons of hairdresser friends that I'm sure would help me out if I do mess up today because I do not know how this is gonna go. Hopefully well. I've kind of rehearsed it in my head. I have a game plan, so I'm hopefully ready to rock it. I don't know, guess we'll see. But I do just want to say that my hair is virgin hair. It has never, ever been touched. I've done like glazes on it and stuff in the past, or like glosses to enhance my red. But other than that, pretty much we are working with kind of like a blank canvas. So I'm just gonna kind of be balayaging a couple pieces. I have my lightener right here. I'm really excited. I have all kinds of little paint brushes so I can kind of make it nice and natural looking because it's not like I'm going to be going like bleach blonde or anything too crazy. I do want to keep it nice and natural. That way I don't have to keep up too much maintenance or anything like that. And I do love my natural color. I love it to death. So obviously I don't want to change it too much. So we'll just be doing a couple little peekaboo highlights and some balayage pieces in the front, especially around like my hairline. I really want some nice light pieces. And then we will be cutting it as well. At first, I almost wanted to cut my hair before I colored, but I'm just going to go ahead and color it, and then we will cut it afterwards. But of course, if you want to see what happens next, keep on watching. And of course, do comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. Before we start, I do want to say that I am a licensed cosmetologist, so I do know what I'm doing. I know about the products, and I know what I'm going for. I know what it's going to do to my hair, and obviously I know what I don't want. I do think that a professional hairdresser is the best way to achieve the look that you're going for. And obviously, if I didn't know what I was doing, I wouldn't be doing this at home, but I do know what I'm doing. I'm just saying that I'm definitely not condoning anyone to do this to themselves. I just wouldn't do it if I wasn't a professional. So I am saying that. But now, without further ado, let's jump right on into this video. Honestly, I might not even explain what I'm doing like all together just because I don't want anyone out there doing it to themselves, pretty much. I don't know. But I will say I am using a 20 volume developer, and because obviously I don't want anything to get too light. All right, this is gonna be pretty hard. This teasing is about to be the death of me to get out of my hair. I can already freaking feel it. I've literally never done this before to myself. So this is very, very weird, and I don't know how it's gonna come out, but that is the fun. Totally meant to put gloves on, so I guess we're gonna do that now as I have this literally in my hair. Alright, this is like 10 times harder than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm really not condoning anyone to do this because this is literally the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. I literally am surrounded by mirrors and it's not helping. I really thought it was going to, but it's not. Stop while we're ahead, right? Oh my god, I'm cringing already because I feel like some hairdresser is gonna attack me. Brad Mondo is gonna attack me. Has anyone seen his videos? Probably gonna kill me, but it's fine. I literally have tons of other brushes I could be using right now, but I don't know, we're just kind of going for it, honestly. Also totally meant to get a before picture, or almost like video of my hair, but obviously that's not happening now. Y'all, this is literally so hard. I don't know how people make this seem like so easy in like other videos and stuff, because of course I've been watching other people doing their hair and seeing, I guess, how they did it, kind of. Oh my god, I feel like all of my hairdresser friends are cringing at home right now, and I'm cringing here too, so. I think the main thing that I'm worried about here is just like frying my hair off, because I really don't even try to put heat on my hair, you know? Like I try to keep it very healthy. So I think that's really like the main thing that I'm worried about. Oh my god, I don't even know how to put this in a foil. Oh, there we go. Maybe. Does anyone want to see what's going on in the back of my head? Because you probably don't, but I'm gonna show you. This is a mess, but kind of excited at the same time. I'm gonna actually like hand paint on top. I just wanted to get some kind of things going underneath here, I guess. Okay, next layer. As the first one went so well. A lot of this will probably be me just like fast forwarding through this, because I'm not even talking because I'm focusing so much right now. I'm literally breaking a sweat. Oh my lord, what am I getting myself into? Let's say never again, but honestly, we don't really know how it's coming out yet. I mean, there's still hope. Yeah, 1,000 times harder than I ever thought this would be. I literally have so many props for anyone that does this, because this is literally impossible. I feel it. It's just impossible. I mean, maybe it's just impossible for me. I don't really know. But, oh, on my face. Bleach is on my face. If anyone... Oh, that went up a lot higher than I wanted it to. RIP my hair, because, I mean, just with the way it's going, I'm not too sure how this is gonna play out. I mean, I'm teasing a lot, and obviously that is like a good buffer, so. What the heck is going on back there? I just do not know. Especially when you're looking at a mirror, you're like, which way is up? Like, what am I doing? The front is gonna be a breeze, so, I mean, I'm glad I saved that. Ooh, this is a good technique. Just hold it like straight up. What the hell am I doing, honestly? Like, what am I doing? Oh, felt like that just went somewhere. Yep, it totally did. I don't know, we'll figure that out later. Honestly, I just don't know. Like, the sides, I feel like I can actually do. But the back of the head is literally a no frickin' go, let me tell ya. Do not even attempt to do the back of your head, because it will end really badly, I feel like. Like, the front, easy peasy, lemon squeezy, I feel like, but that back is like a danger zone. Ooh, fun. Cute, right? And because I have more hair on this side, I'm gonna do another, oh my god, see, this mirror is just not helping. See, as long as I can see, I can weave. And as long as I can weave and tease, I think we're all right. And I'm teasing kind of a lot just because I'm obviously going for a more natural look. I feel like everything will blend in the end. It's just a matter of getting there. Alright, so now I'm pretty much just going to be hand painting the rest of like the top part of my head, I guess. I really thought that I would be talking more in this video, but I'm kind of scared for my hair's life, so. By the way, I know we're pretty deep into this video, but if anyone was wondering about my eye makeup, it's going to be part of my new video coming out soon using the Jeffree Star palette, of course. The Bloodlust collection. Not sure how I'm going to do this side. Oh, I guess kind of like this. Why did I think that this was going to be a good idea? Not that I ever said it was a good idea, but obviously something had to compel me to do this. Kind of at this point, I'm just kind of slathering it on, which is definitely not part of the balayage technique, but probably pretty glad that I didn't cut my hair first because I'm gonna have a lot of layers. Might honestly not even cut my hair at this point because this is hard enough. There's bleach in my eyes. Alright, a couple more sections and I would say that we're probably done. Ooh, that was a nice thick line. Alright guys, so this is everything in foils and whatever. This is everything that I've done, so it's kind of somewhat complete. Honestly, I mean, it doesn't look bad right now, you know. I mean, it looks like it'll hopefully become what I want it to. I don't really know. I mean, I can't really tell anything right now. Yeah, so these bottom foils are like pretty much done. Didn't really plan on that happening. So I will be back in about like 20 or so minutes when the rest is done processing and I'll be shampooed and I will see you after then. Alright guys, so we are back. So this is our final product. Don't mind me. Obviously I took a shower so I don't have any face makeup on or anything. But it is super natural. It honestly isn't even showing up in this light. But I definitely have some highlights in through here. I actually live for how it came out. I was actually getting so nervous that I botched my whole head. But I think it came out so cute. I definitely have a cute little like blonde moment right up front. Don't mind right here. This was not breakage from the bleach. I know how it looks. A while back, long story short, I basically scrubbed my head too hard in the shower. I know, how does one even do that? I don't know, but since then, I go really gentle. Live for how it came out. Once again, really not showing up too much on camera, but I live for it. So I did not even tone it. I was going to tone it, and I still might in a couple days. I'm going to kind of wear it like this, see how I like it. And if I want to tone it, I totally can. But I'm going to share the products that I used in the shower and the products that I used to dry my hair and everything like that as well. A lot of these products I mentioned in my hair care video that I did at the end of 2019. So I'll go ahead and link that up above. So if you have any further questions or want a little bit more information, that will all be there. In the shower, I went in with this. It's called Gem Lights in the shade Cognac Quartz, Caramel Blonde. It's like a color wash. So it's pretty much just like a color shampoo, I guess. Just like kind of like a copper color. So I did a shampoo with this and a little bit of this one mixed in. This is the brand new Redken Great Lengths. I'm so excited I finally got to try this out. I finally washed my hair, obviously, so I could finally try this baby out, and I literally live for it. So I mixed these for my first couple shampoos, and of course I did do a third shampoo just to make sure all that lightener was out of my hair. And I did do a cat treatment in the shower as well. This is the Redken cat treatment. I love this stuff. The only thing I don't love is the spray, is the little sprayer. In the shower, it is so hard when like your hand's wet and it's like slipping. It's so hard to just spray. So I hate that. I almost wish I had like a trigger spray or something. But I love this stuff. It adds protein. It does amazing things. Once again, I mentioned this in that hair care video, so refer to that if you need any more info. But then out of the shower, as far as things to put in my hair for blow drying and everything, but I did go in with my Pureology 21 Benefits. I literally live for this stuff. My hair drinks this up. I spray it all over after my hair is towel dried and even before I put a brush through. I did go ahead with the Redken Extreme. This is the Play Safe. It's a newer product. It has heat protection up to 450 degrees, which is amazing. I just use this because I knew I was gonna be blow drying and maybe heat styling my hair later in the week. I did mix in a little bit of the Great Lengths. This is another new product. This is just the leave-in treatment. And I did want to mention, because I haven't talked about the Great Lengths Extreme products except for in my haul video because I said I was picking them up. But they do all have biotin in them, so they're really going to help you get the full 6 inches of length that your hair grows in a year, pretty much. Redken has a lot of pictures on their Instagram and social media, pictures before and after a couple months use, and I definitely see results in those photos, so I'm hoping that my hair will grow long and strong this year. But my hair literally feels amazing. The only thing, I just didn't want my hair to be like fried off, which I do get a little worried, but oh my gosh, I really do love it. The only thing, I don't have that many highlights on top, but I'm about to be on vacation, so I think the sun will lighten my hair anyway, and I literally live for it so much. So we are gonna go ahead and cut this hair. I was kind of debating after I was doing the color. I was like, maybe I shouldn't even try cutting, but honestly, we are here, so we might as well. Alright guys, so my hair really doesn't look too different. I did definitely do a little bit more face framing, and I did go ahead and add some light layers in there. I definitely want more like choppy layers. Like I definitely want it to look like my hair is really textured and layered. I don't know. It's really freaking hard to do it on yourself. Once again, I give props to anyone who can. I just don't want to mess my hair up. I am so thankful and grateful that I didn't mess up my hair with the color. I do live for it. I think it looks so cute. But this is all I have for this video. It went a lot better than I thought it was going to go. I really thought this was going to be a fail video, but I'm so glad it wasn't. So of course, do not try this at home. I do not want you to tag me on Instagram with your hair on the floor, bald or something. Of course, if you do decide to do this with your own free will, just know that it's gonna be probably a lot more money to fix it. So I'll just leave it at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was as entertaining as I found it to be. I thought this was super freaking fun. Probably won't ever do this again. If I do, it'll be a long while. But of course, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Definitely leave me some ideas for videos down below. I definitely want to do some more hair-related content. I do have a couple hair-related videos already on my channel, so go ahead and check those out if you haven't. I do post here every Tuesday and Friday of the week. And once again, thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.